Hi guys, it's Katie with Kansas Hydrographics, and we are here to show you our bar carbon fiber. It is a 50 centimeter carbon fiber. We are slowly but surely adding to our 50 centimeter carbon fiber collection. We know a lot of hobbyists out there don't want to spend a whole lot on film, and it's nice to be able to have a 50 centimeter option, you know, just a little bit cheaper. So this one is black and transparent, like a lot of our carbon fibers. I mean, a lot to describe there because all the carbon fibers to me look super similar. But we'll see how it does. You can do any base coat color you want except for black. Charcoal metallic would look great. We always recommend black carbon fiber on charcoal metallic to get that the most realistic carbon fiber look. We are using Hydrographics Activator, 1 minute soak time. And that is the bar carbon fiber. I mean, it just looks so different when it's on a white base. You absolutely can use a white base, but it's gonna look so much different and more of a true carbon fiber. To me, right there, that doesn't look anything like carbon fiber just because it's a white base. There's just too much contrast. But that on like a silver metallic, charcoal metallic, anything, blue, red, anything like that, that's just going to have a little bit more of a carbon fiber feel to it. Anyway, but that printed great. That's a great pattern. That'll be obviously in the carbon fiber section, and you can find that at KansasHydrographics.com. Thank you guys. We'll see you next time.